party in the park.
It's the name of my wife, so she's the brainchild behind it.
Oh, she's the brain.
Oh, she's the brainchild behind it. The coconut, it's meant to be a drink, non-alcoholic. It's insane. Yeah, it's non-alcoholic, alcohol, and it's still, so it's a no sparkle. Oh.
Okay.
Now you can mix it. You can drink it neat, just straight from the can, or you can mix it with tonic water, soda water, still water, and then lemonade.
Okay.
And further on, you can use it for your cocktails and mocktails, like with alcohol and stuff like that. And also combine it with hot water. We started about 6 or 7 years ago. We stopped during COVID. And then after that, we changed our recipes and the branding as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you do it in England here or Ghana?
We do it in England, in Kent. We're based in Kent, Patron.
Oh, okay, because I'm going to Ghana.
Now, so the main thing is that we use a lot of Ghanaian recipes, so a lot of recipes which was handed down in our families back in Accra. So we use that, and our object is really to fly the flag of Ghana, introduce people to the flavors of Africa as well. Yeah.
Wow. When you Ghana, you know everybody say to open company in UK, when you be me up your company, I say, Papa, say obi your party, obi your wedding here, over to me out order piano.
Oh yeah, it's a your party and now we are wedding. We'll call www.coco.uk website now. We wait me order. We'll call order a bit deliver now. Now after it's in the person mechanic say we'll call the website now. Drink, we have 4 flavors.
Okay.
We have pineapple. We have pomegranate. After it, we have normal root ginger.
Okay.
And also fine root ginger. Now one benefit is everybody's watching the sugar and everything.
Okay.
So all our drinks are very, very low sugar, but all natural. So there's no artificial stuff in them. It's very, very healthy. Very, very good.
And I know why for you and somewhere drink where say what UK have.
Yes,
oh my dear Papa, because that drink way we met now you approach the I'm a buy your grandma you want to. So what me told my own yanya be no dia. Now oh my dear what drink pa.
Now we person make assembly. Say you were Kent. We're based in Kent. And last year 2024 they had a competition for all different goods like drinks, bakery, ice cream. So in the non-alcoholic drink category, for the whole of Kent, they have a competition called Taste of Kent.
Okay.
What is that? Drink,
What am I
we won a bronze award in the non-alcoholic beverage drink of the year in the whole of Kent last year. And some medallion. When you have a look at the medallion, you see the medallion there. It shows you. That way.
Okay.
So that was a very proud moment. Really, really proud moment.
Oh, what's it mean? Yeah, I do want to be with the award. That means I do want to wow. Which one was you wine? So be percent or your wedding a year and an engagement and now you're betting me our debut. Now on to the any program.
You go to www.coco.uk. Now when you go on there and you sign, like you give your email and everything, you can get 5% of your order.
Okay.
Yeah, so you get even a further discount. But we're also open to wholesale and trade as well. So that more people can have an experience of our drinks. One thing I hear you say we try and target a lot of Ghanaian shops.
Okay.
So because a lot of Ghanaians go to Ghanaian shops to buy the foodstuffs. So we're trying to target our distribution to a lot of Ghanaian shops so that more people can go there. But Ghanaians are invited to really subscribe to our website and get some of our drinks. You'll never regret it. It's really, really nice.
1 minute, okay? Many Ghanaian. Well, wouldn't you know you? And this whole year be party be an abibia. Won't so well, wouldn't you Ghanaian? At the purpose of fear. Now, Obama, the answer over or Debbie now will be a program. Now, Obi or that do over to me, I deliver.
Oh, no problem. No problem. Nothing is impossible.
What you can?
Yeah,
Meeting kids.
Yeah.
Submit me order online. Over to me, they don't have a baby.
Any amount in Sabeka.
So the whole UK, Obi order online order or the Bebreno. Fantastic. Now what telephone number is so we wait to me.
And so we call online now. We call online. The telephone number is now. Yeah,
okay.
All the telephone numbers
okay, and yes, I see online. This will be
okay.
Can be
it's online. It's www.corco.uk. It's a Corco. It's KORKO.uk.
Okay, and the million where they must sample. Ghana there, yeah, party, any wedding, any adoring, a year, yeah, one day. 80, Bibis are to what? But my dear, let come in your website. Now, order drink here. Never say more. I share what off
Yeah, we're looking forward to seeing you come on our website, and we can give you deals and stuff. But just remember that it takes a little step to really experience what Ghana is really all about. Let's continue to support one another, because when we support one another, we get stronger and we advance. Thank you very much.
Your opinion, and you're not Julie Juu TV. So one who drink, instead your kind, different flavors. Now go choose your choice. Now order for program. Julie Juu TV. And bye bye.